Yo, what's good, guys? So another one today. We are at the abandoned air raid shelter. I say we because I'm with Chewy, that's just here.
Yeah.
If you can see him. And also, do you remember this guy?
Yo guys, what's good?
So also Midi as well. But yeah, guys, look where we are. This is where we are, and this is where we're going. Do you want me to go first? Since I've got the light.
Oh, somebody's already got a rope down, I think.
So, abandoned air raid shelter, guys. One thing that I need to do though is get my torch out because it doesn't look that bright. There we go, even better.
Is it really?
Got your power bank?
No.
Oh god, shit. I've got mine, but here we go, guys. So let's go for a wander. Let's go this way first. So yeah, as you see, this is where we are. Let's go. Oh mate, these arrows go everywhere. Hello, it's down here. Let's go this way first. These arrows tell you the way out, I think. Mate, literally, it just goes everywhere. So, we're just going to keep walking this way, guys, and hopefully see if we can find something. Turn my head touch off for now. The old, well, the beds aren't, did he said? Yeah. People said they were beds. Look at how they're everywhere. I'm telling you now, right, it was a bit of a trek to get into here. Oh, here's another one here. Oh wow, that's a long corridor, or a long tunnel should I say. Mad. Right, let's see what we can find. Firework.
You are?
Firework here.
Is there really?
Yeah.
Probably wouldn't set it off
Yes, sure somebody probably did though.
Yeah, somebody set it off.
That's why it probably stinks with all the smoke and that. Oh wow. This just keeps going on and on and on.
It's huge, isn't it?
This is an old lamp, isn't it? The old mining lamps.
Yeah.
So it looks like some sort of rag here.
Should we just sort of bag out?
Yeah. This doesn't go anywhere here anyway, it's dead end. That is there. Oh, boost. Wow, that's an old boost.
Bag of crispy down there.
That's an old wrapper. See what date's on that.
What is it?
And boost bar. The date's faded. Look.
No way.
Look how old that is.
Yeah.
Date's faded. Crazy.
It's like a hose pipe here.
Hose pipe.
Yeah, it looks like a hose pipe. But it's gone through the wall. Oh no, it's metal.
Metal pipe, yeah, metal. Not a pipe, a metal fucking rod. Yeah, metal rod. Oh, Space Raiders. Space Raiders, sorry, 10p.
Bad man, Chris.
Look at that. Salt and vinegar, you don't see them anymore. Bad man. Bad man crisps. Chewy is somewhere down there, guys, over in the distance. Chewy. Where are you? He's coming now. Can see him. So I'd say, guys, these are supposed to be like the bunk beds where people would be stopping. It goes on forever down there as well. All to a dead end by the looks of it.
Some spare trousers there, just in case we lose ours again.
Yeah, we lost the trousers coming in.
Hey, up there's another one of them.
Mining lamp.
Yeah.
Yeah, another one there, guys. Steps.
Yeah.
Ooh. There's been a fire in here by the smell of it.
Where are you?
Where are you? Down the stairs.
Hey, Dylan Bates is gay.
We'll let Middy walk up the stairs, see if he goes anywhere. Give him a bit of light. Hey Middy, just think you can watch this video when it's out, because you're in it. Dead end? Thought so. It's just up there, guys. Sorry, I was just monging with the camera. Shall we film just in case?
Nearly.
Close.
Oh, these are a bit slippery, these ones.
All done. Oh.
When I'm back on an Explorer, I've got fucking blinded by a torch.
Continuing, guys, through the air raid shelter. Decided to put my other light on. It might be easier, so you can see a bit more. Like I said to you, I think it's just a grid formation with them.
There's definitely been a fire. Look at all.
Yeah, you can smell it as well.
Yeah.
That's all the way down there. So it's a dead end. Yeah, go back that way. Dead end.
Yeah. This way. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Let's go. Middy's playing with himself on camera.
I'll do that on OnlyFans.
OnlyFans? Yeah. Do you want to promote your OnlyFans then?
No, you want that.
Oh, down here. Yeah, we just walked past, aren't we? Yeah. No, go straight down there. So we're going to go down that way, guys. Literally follow Middy that way. So we're not a wall down here, guys. But there is a toilet, well, a bucket. I'm guessing there is usually a toilet lid on top of it. But we'll find the toilet, because I know there is one in here somewhere. So if Brasso was here, he'd need the toilet.
Yeah.
This is all knocked down again here, guys.
Cheese buster from 1970.
There's loads of fag packets and stuff here. And we're back here. But I don't think we went this way because we come through that door. Yeah, we come through that door down there. See on the right there?
Yeah.
I think we come through there, didn't we? Did we? Oh, we didn't come through there then. Oh, Middy's found the toilets. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Look at this place. He's back. Middy's back out somewhere. Oh wow. Look at these bad boys. Doritos, corn chips with 3 Tazos. Tazo millions, should I say, in millions. Mad. Oh. What do you think, Chewy?
You're blinding me.
Walk past then. Come on, keep going. Keep going. I'm following you now.
I can't see, so this I need you in front.
It's all good. I need photos, so yeah, this is the place where we are, guys. The toilet area. Come across these guys on the wall. Bit of graffiti. So if you see your name on here, don't forget to comment and let me know. I'm guessing there's a lot of John Vickers around here. There's one there, there's one there, there's one there. Well, they're probably dating the same period, to be fair. So, Middy says we are lost.
That way is the tunnel we just come down
To the toilets. Let's go this way. I don't think we're lost.
Yeah.
We're never lost on Explore with Shano.
Like a big square that was brilliant.
Yeah, it just tunnels out, doesn't it?
Oh, ground's a bit uneven there, be careful. Oh, there's more Taz. Or Doritos, should I say.
What's that?
Doritos Cool Original. Banging! They're amazing crisps.
Banging.
Oh, slipping. I think I need some new trainers. Bit slippy these are. Where does that go? Oh, it's an old. Nothing up on the roof.
feel like a rat, mate.
Oh, sneak preview.
Imagine doing it on your left or right.
Do you know what's in there, guys? We'll check on the editing.
Going there, left or right?
Straight on. Through the wall. Well, we went left or we come in, I swear we did.
FK squad, rat.
Yeah, we've been here. This is that toilet with the lid on. Yeah, I swear we've been here.
Have we?
Yeah. Hear that noise?
Chewy, I think.
Toilet there. So much to see in here, guys. There's loads of stuff. Literally loads of stuff to see in here, guys. And that is where we come in. I think we're pretty much done here, guys. So I'll walk back, find these two, just see where they've gone. Another bag Chris just here. Monster Munch. Beef burger flavour. Banging. Just flick this over so you can see a bit better. Look at that bad boy. Banging. Absolutely amazing they are. Hey, we're at the entrance. Yeah. We've been here. This is the way we come.
What, with the sleeping bag?
Oh no, not this way, sorry. But yeah, where the entrance is there. Sleeping bags. Someone actually has been sleeping in here.
But then they've got a fireman on the side.
Let's keep walking this way then. Yeah, I've just seen the entrance where we come in. That's why I said I could hear noise, which was cars, and I wondered what it was. There's a thing here, sealed up. Oh, I'm slipping here. A boot. Tell me what's a boot.
Football boots. Adidas Predator, that is, mate.
You are a predator. Oh, you're chewing. You're a predator.
Yeah.
You know what happens on Explore with Shano? We take the piss out of everyone. Your pillow for your midi.
Everybody needs a button for a pillow.
Yeah, let's have a quick sneak peek in here. It would be funny if I put my hand through here and someone robbed my camera and my lights and ran off. Can you imagine? I'd be like, who's going through? And there's the other entrance that's blocked off.
Hey.
So yeah, guys, if you can hear me, we're out. We've got out of there. That is the air raid shelter, man. I hope you've enjoyed what you're seeing. And yeah, we will see you in the next one, won't we? So we'll see you soon, guys. Peace.